Let's divide 424 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. Let's keep exploring math together. All right, let's start this adventure. We look at the first digit of 424, which is 4. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract 4 from 4, which leaves us with 0. No remainder here. Great job, you're doing awesome. We're done with the first digit. Time to move to the next one. Ready for the next step? Let's go. We bring down the next digit from 424, which is 2. Now we have 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. Still no remainder. Amazing. You're on a roll. Keep that amazing energy going. One more digit to go. You've got this. Last digit, here we come. We bring down the final digit, 4. Our number is now 4. How many times does 2 go into 4? It's 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract 4 from 4 and we have 0. Perfect, no remainder. Woohoo, you did it. That was fantastic. We've used all the digits. Our division is complete. So 424 divided by 2 equals 212. We just conquered 424 divided by 2. See, long division is like a puzzle and you solved it. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. That's all for today, Super Math Stars. Keep shining and remember to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. Bye for now.